Hi, I'm Jeremy Johnson, CPA, and I wanted to talk about starting your own business. Okay, so we're at the end of another year, and this is a time where people begin thinking, what can I do to have some additional income coming into my house? And so this is when people really start thinking about starting their own business. Now, in this discussion, it doesn't matter the size of the business, whether you want to start your own construction company or if you just want to begin selling some type of makeup product or anything on the side that's going to be bringing in revenue to your home. No matter the size, that is still a business. And so I have a few points that I want to bring up. The first is the ABC of individuals that you need to have in your back pocket anytime you're starting a business. Okay, so the A is attorney. All right, you need a good business attorney. I'm not talking someone that can help with family law or someone that can help with civil suits, but a business attorney, someone that can assist you in creating the business entity that you want, whether it's an LLC, an S Corp, a C Corp, but someone that can assist you and advise you on how to protect yourself. Okay, in business that's called liability, how to minimize your liability or your risk. So that's where you want a good business attorney. The B is a banker. You never know where your business is going to go, so there may be a need for a line of credit or a credit card or something to where you need additional funding to take your business either to the next level or the initial level. And the third one, of course, which is a C, is CPA. You need someone who can kind of guide you in terms of business structures as well. Hey, listen, as a sole proprietorship, this is how you're taxed. As an LLC, this is how you're taxed. As a corporation, this is how the corporation is taxed. You need to know these things, and these are the types of discussions that you need to have prior to creating your business entity. So typically what I do is anytime I speak with someone and they say, hey, I'm thinking about starting a business, I say, okay, stop right there. Let's set up a consultation so we can go through how you're taxed at each individual entity level, so there are no surprises. If there's anything that I see across the board, any consistency with my small business owners, it's that initial sticker shock of self-employment taxes that are due the very first year once you begin your business. And so to eliminate that, it's good to have a consultation just so you'll know as a sole proprietorship, this is what I can expect come tax filing time, or as a corporation, this is what I can expect. Those things are key when you're starting up your business. So I always say, hey, let's start with a consultation first. And typically from the consultation, you'll walk away knowing, okay, maybe I should talk with an attorney about creating this type of business structure for me. I think that will be best. But from a liability standpoint, I should consult with them first just to see if that's the move that I really want to make. So those are just some key things. You want to have an attorney, a banker, and a CPA, and you definitely want to start with a consultation. Don't start selling product. Don't start buying product. Don't go out and create a website. Make sure you talk with professionals before you begin anything. And typically whenever I do that for a client, there's usually an order to doing everything. That way everything flows and you don't have to backtrack and redo. So that's very, very important. And again, this is the time of year where people usually start thinking in that direction, saying, hey, there's a business opportunity out there for me. I think this would be a great time to start. And I think the best move would be for you to contact us and see if we can get a consultation on the calendar. Listen, any questions or comments, feel free to email me, or you can post on Facebook. We usually answer everything there, or just schedule the consultation. That'll be a good way as well to move forward. So, alrighty, I hope that information helped you. We'll see you next time.